All right, Rob Frazier here. This video I want to talk about how to use the daily rundown on LinkedIn to basically get a whole bunch of people to see your profile. And this whole thing works when your LinkedIn profile is set up similar to what a capture page is. So this is for people who are in network marketing, affiliate marketing, any sort of sales, marketing, whatever, something along that niche. And if you're a new person and if you're just tired of beating your head up with trying to work on Facebook, give LinkedIn a shot and give the strategy a shot. Very simple. So when you create a free LinkedIn account, every single day they have something called the Daily Rundown, and it's under your notifications. You go into your main profile, up here on notifications, click it, scroll down, and you'll see Daily Rundown Saturday, Daily Rundown Friday. I have a lot of other stuff going on, but it's really just that simple. I'm just trying to scroll down here, see Daily Rundown Friday. Let's see, Daily Rundown. I had a lot of stuff happen this past Daily Rundown, so I had a whole big jump up in people looking at my profile. But every single day the Daily Rundown is done, and you have to pardon my bird over here in the background. So Daily Rundown Thursday, you get the point. So what happens is when you click the Daily Rundown, I'm going to just scroll all the way back up here. And especially, before I really get into this, I want to say you don't want to go down any rabbit holes. Because my last Daily Rundown, I kind of went down a rabbit hole a little bit. But it's very simple. Once the Daily Rundown comes here, you come down here, click on it, and it will give you a whole bunch of news articles for that particular day. And it's very simple. LinkedIn compiles these articles based on whatever you're interested in, or just basic. It's basic headlines from what's going on out there in the world. And so if you come in here and just provide your opinion, comments, feedback, whatever the case may be, other people who kind of vibe with your comment, or people who disagree with your comment, will interact with it, and a lot of those people will actually come and check out your profile. And I'm trying to stay away from something that's very triggering and polarizing, but the last Daily Rundown talked about a person who ran from the cops and was accidentally shot in a process, and I gave my feedback on that, and I gave like 1 or 2 comments, and because of that, I had, you see right here, 1,036% increase from last week of people coming to my profile. Now, whenever you add this feedback, again, you don't want to go down any rabbit holes, you don't want to get in any arguments, things like that. But if you're commenting on things, you provide your opinion, and you can basically integrate it in with whatever it is you do. I work in affiliate marketing, so whenever I see articles talking about automation in the workplace, robots replacing people in the workplace, different things like that, I always tie it into, that's why you need to have something to fall back on, i.e. affiliate marketing, i.e. if you were interested in affiliate marketing, come talk to me. So, and I can tie it into whatever it is that's going on, even things that are very polarizing. Like, for example, the guy who ran from the cops. Hey, had the guy been at the house working on his business, not out driving around, just many different things. There's many different ways you can tie in the current events to whatever it is you're doing, selling, promoting, whatever. So that's the whole purpose, is just to get down there, chop it up a little bit on those main articles, because that's where a lot of traffic is. And so you see here on my profile, 1,036% up since last week because of 2 or 3 comments, and then I get all kind of people coming to my profile. You have 2 classes of people that's going to come to your profile, especially if you're very polarizing. You're going to have the people who are like, who is this idiot? And why are they saying these crazy things? Or you're going to have people who are like-minded, agree with you, and then you already have something in common, something to talk about there, and then you can easily tie it into, so what it is, so what do you do? So what do you do? And then you can have that conversation. And that's how I use the daily rundown to get people coming to my profile. And I'm going to just go ahead and click on my profile just so you can see. Again, I said a little bit, you want to kind of have a profile that's kind of like a landing page, a capture page. Rob Frazier, inspiring people to create more income and freedom through network and affiliate marketing. Text me, and that's my number. So that number is actually my text bot number. Whenever they text it, my texting assistant texts them back, and then it automatically promotes my primary affiliate marketing opportunity. And that's just from people coming to my LinkedIn profile. So easy, simple way to get traffic from LinkedIn. A little bit different than Facebook. I think Facebook does have news articles, but LinkedIn, the people on the platform are more business minded, and they are just, they cut through all the chatter and they just really get to the point when it comes to different things to include business. So that being said, hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you want to work with me, or if you want to learn my perpetual traffic plan, which includes this tactic that I'm working here on LinkedIn, that information will be in the description of this video, and I will see you in the next one.